Hey everyone, it's Kukun here and I welcome you all at Inside Diggers. Today I'm going to talk about how to start writing in English. Well, if you want to be fluent in English, you need to polish your writing, speaking, listening and reading skills. Only then you can get a good command over the language. Number of students do not know how they should start writing and what they should write. So you can start the simplest way. Well, pick up a situation from your day only. Suppose you had an argument with your parents, with your siblings or with your friends. So pick that situation up and start writing about it. You can start writing by today was a sad day, but instead of sad day, you can replace it with a little advanced ones like today was a bummer day, today was a disappointed day, today was a disheartening day. In that way, you are not only learning a word, you are also making sentence out of it relating with your own situation. It will make a deep imprint on your mind and that way you will remember that word for a longer period of time. You can elaborate the situation a little more by adding more information like you were unable to put forward your emotions, that's why your parents misunderstood you. You can also add some suggestions if you want to maintain a healthy relationship with your parents. By doing so, you are not enhancing your writing skills, you are also unburdening your mind. You will feel light and elated as well. Each step taken towards success is rewarded. So please do take a step and start writing. Do it for 7 days and you will realize a change that you have learned a lot of new words and you are writing more confidently. I believe this little information will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.